Look at this, guys. Got a 12, 10, 9, 8, 7. We're in the elevators at Macy's in downtown Pittsburgh. Wow, I got to ride the ones at Macy's. It's a surprise. Uh-oh. I'm not going to ride the freight elevators though, because I'm going to get busted probably. I'll just do my best in here. Look at those buttons. Alright, let's go ride the public elevator. Wow. Let's go up to the top. I got this one right here. 13, 10, 9, 6. Here are the elevators at Macy's in downtown Pittsburgh. These are the Westinghouse ones. I'm not dreaming either. Meet me at Macy's. Listen to that. Can you please meet me at Macy's, Marcia, please? Meet me at Macy's. This is a big treat for me. That's it. Now, let's go look at the freight elevators. Oh, these are the service elevators. Where are the freight elevators? Oh, I think they're on the first floor. Here on the service elevator at Macy's, this is a Schindler. Am I going to need it for out here because Marcia already found me? I've had a good day today so far at Macy's. I didn't get to ride the freight elevator. You're in the freight elevator. Doesn't work. Let's get a quick cat view. There's a view of them though.